Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. Today I'm unboxing the contents of this package that I purchased from aprondiva.com. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. And more recently, I've been taking you on the journey through minimalism. But today, it's all about the package. I purchased the apron and within less than a week the package was here. So let's take a look at what's inside. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Wow. Almost like a Christmas gift, Christmas package here. Wow, beautiful. Very pretty. Oh, here's a note. Let's see what's... Oh, here's her card. Apron Diva. Very pretty. Oh, here's the package. Overwhelmed. Focus on one task at a time. Apron Diva. And this is what she says. The purpose of the apron notes are to remind each of you homemakers how special you are. It is my hope that you think of this message as a note of encouragement from your dearest friend. Remember, homemaking is an art and a science. You can be a homemaker even if you're not married. How beautiful. And here's another note. Darcy, thank you so much for your support of Apron Diva. So this is nice. And this is the package here. Very nice. Let's take a look and let's try this on. I'm excited to try it on, so let's try this on real quickly. I'll have the information on Denise's channel in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like organizational videos and videos on minimalism. Don't forget, come back next week where I'll be sharing part 2 in the series of my journey to minimalism. Until then, take care and I really look forward to seeing you. Goodbye and of course, good luck.